Hello, wonderful viewers, whether you're seasoned farmers deeply connected to the land or tech enthusiasts fascinated by innovation. Today, we embark on an exhilarating journey that bridges the timeless art of agriculture with the boundless wonders of technology. Get ready to be captivated as we delve into the heart of a revolution where age-old traditions meet cutting-edge advancements. I'm absolutely thrilled to be your guide on this immersive exploration of the latest technology tools that are reshaping the very fabric of how we nurture the soil. So, grab your notepads and curiosity, because we're about to traverse through a mesmerizing realm where innovation and cultivation intertwine. Our journey ignites with a deep dive into the world of smart farming sensors. These seemingly unassuming devices, strategically embedded within the nurturing soil, play a pivotal role as the silent sentinels of your fields, with a keen ability to continuously monitor essential metrics such as soil moisture levels, temperature dynamics, nutrient compositions, and even the vitality of crops. These sensors lay the foundation for precision agriculture. The real magic happens as these sensors provide farmers with real-time insights like whispers from the earth itself, enabling informed decision-making that has the power to optimize yields, resource allocation, and ultimately contribute to the sustainable evolution of agricultural practices. Now, from the solid ground, we soar to the open skies where we witness the breathtaking realm of drone farming. Picture this, a bird's-eye view of your farm, available at your fingertips. Drones, armed with state-of-the-art cameras and sophisticated sensors, elegantly glide above vast expanses of farmland, capturing intricate details that the naked eye might miss. This elevated perspective not only aids in identifying potential pest infestations, but also assists in gauging irrigation needs and uncovering irregularities in crop growth, all in a fraction of the time it would traditionally take. Moving ahead, our journey propels us into the captivating world of automated planting and harvesting machines, the true stalwarts of modern-day agriculture. These marvels of engineering are rewriting the narrative of traditional farming practices, offering solutions that are nothing short of groundbreaking. It's with unparalleled precision, these machines sow seeds at depths optimized for growth and harvest crops at the pinnacle of ripeness. The result? Minimized waste, maximized productivity, and a significant stride toward a more sustainable future of farming. Venturing further, our quest lands us in the remarkable landscapes of hydroponics and vertical farming, domains that challenge the very essence of soil-based agriculture. Hydroponics, nurtured by nutrient-rich water solutions, and vertical farms, where crops reach for the sky in controlled environments, reimagine the possibilities of food production. These practices aren't just about yields. They are a testament to resource efficiency and a beacon of hope for urban farming, where space is a premium. Continuing our odyssey, we seamlessly integrate the power of artificial intelligence into the realm of crop management. Advanced AI algorithms become the virtuoso conductors, orchestrating data from various sources, historical weather patterns, comprehensive soil analyses, and intricate crop growth records. The outcome? Actionable insights that empower farmers to make decisions backed by data and guided by knowledge. This harmonious fusion of AI and agriculture leads to augmented yields, judicious resource utilization, and above all, a more sustainable approach to cultivating the land. As we venture toward the conclusion of this immersive journey, we stand at the threshold of a future that promises to redefine farming as we know it. Imagine a world where robotic pollinators flutter amidst the blossoms, delicately transferring pollen from one flower to another. Envision precision genetic editing crafting crops that are inherently resistant to diseases, alleviating the need for excessive chemical intervention. And consider AI-driven food production, where data-driven decisions ensure global food security and abundance. Diving deeper into our exploration, we encounter the world of precision irrigation systems. These technologies take watering to a whole new level, using data-driven insights to deliver the right amount of water to each plant, precisely when and where it's needed. By minimizing water wastage and optimizing plant hydration, these systems not only conserve resources, but also contribute to healthier and more robust crop growth. Our exploration takes an exciting turn as we delve into the realm of bioinformatics and its role in crop improvement. By analyzing vast amounts of genetic data, scientists can identify genes responsible for desirable traits in crops, from disease resistance to nutritional content. This data-driven approach accelerates the development of improved crop varieties, leading to more resilient and nutritious harvests. Before we wrap up this transformative expedition, let's pause to reflect on sustainability and the ethical imperative that underpins these technological leaps. As we harness innovation, we must also embrace our responsibility toward the environment, integrating renewable energy sources, practicing precision water management, and fostering ethical practices form the cornerstone of a holistic approach to farming. As the curtains fall on this awe-inspiring journey through the latest technology tools for farming, I hope you found yourself as enchanted as I have. From sensors embedded in the soil to AI-driven insights shaping the future, these innovations are emblematic of a new era in agriculture. If this voyage has kindled your curiosity, I invite you to express your support by hitting the like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing that notification bell so you can join us on future explorations. Until then, remember that innovation knows no boundaries and the future of farming holds untold opportunities. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.